Welcome, from me is an iPad Pro 11 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording feature. So number one, we'll need to add it into our panel right here. So let's go into the settings and control center, customize controls, and let's find it in the list right here. So we have screen recording, add it, and simply leave it right now, and now you will be able to tap on it to basically start the recording, and whatever you will do right now will be fully recorded. So yeah, once you're done, simply pull it back down and turn it off, and the recording can be found in your gallery. So let me quickly find that right here, and you can see it right over here. So you just seen recording, and that's basically how you would use it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.